Hi everyone, my name is Giuliano and I will be taking you through the Unofficial Student Manual. We're here to guide you through the essentials of student life at Mainz University.
Hi everyone, my name is Nick, and whether you're new to Germany or just new to university life, we are covering everything you need to know to make your experience smooth and enjoyable.
Hi, my name is Andreas, and now we jump right into it, starting with the all-important enrollment and course registration process.
First things first, enrollment. All incoming students need to register at the Student Services Office located at Forum 1 right across from the Alte Mensa.
Once enrolled, it's time to register for your courses. This is done online via the Jogustine portal. If you haven't received your login code by email, don't worry, just pick it up at the main library.
Remember, all registration must be completed by the end of the registration period. And if you miss it, you won't be able to register for exams, which means no credit. So be sure to stay on top of deadlines.
Alright, let's talk about residency. Within 14 days of moving to Mainz, you'll need to register your new residence with the city. This process requires an appointment, which you can book online.
One thing you'll need is a confirmation of residency form from your landlord. Take this form with you to the citizens office where you complete your registration.
Once you're registered, you can apply for your residence permit. We recommend booking your appointment a few months in advance to avoid issues if your visa is expiring.
Next up, setting up a bank account. Many German banks offer free student accounts, but be aware of monthly deposit requirements. For instance, Commerzbank is free as long as you deposit at least €700 each month.
If you're in a hurry and need an account fast, consider online banks like Wise or Revolut. They're convenient and don't charge for cash withdrawals at any ATM, although some options may be limited to EU citizens or long-term residents.
Just keep in mind that to open an account with some traditional banks, you may need a residence permit, so it's often easier to start with an online bank if you're waiting for your permit.
Health insurance is required for all students in Germany. If you're from the EU, you can use your home insurance with a European health insurance card.
Non-EU students have several options, including public insurance providers like AOK, DHK, and TK, which cost between 100 to 140 euros monthly. There are also private options like the DBK and Mavista, which may offer a cheaper rate but might cover less.
Remember, if you're over 30, there may be restrictions with some public insurance providers, so make sure you understand your options and choose the one that best fits your needs.
Let's move on to some helpful campus resources. First, the university offers all students access to Microsoft Office 365 for free, a great perk.
You can also print directly from your own device at campus printers, which makes life a lot easier. Each printer has a network ID posted above it, so you just need to add it while connected to the university Wi-Fi.
And for those who like studying remotely, you can use the university's VPN service. This will let you access all the research journals and library resources from home, or even from a beach if you're so lucky.
Okay, now for the fun stuff. Social activities. Mainz University has some awesome programs to help you meet people. For starters, there's the Buddy program, which pairs international students with a student mentor to help you settle in.
The Erasmus team organizes fantastic events like wine hikes, canoe trips, and day trips around Mainz. These are a great way to see more of Germany and meet other international students.
And if you'd like to connect with locals, the Foreigners Become Friends program is a unique chance to meet local families, experience German culture, and make new friends outside the university.
There's so much happening on campus. From sports clubs and debate groups to language classes and student initiatives, there's something for everyone.
You can find a full list of student groups and events on the Campus Mainz website, or even look up groups on social media. Most groups use German as their main language, but don't let that hold you back. It's a great chance to practice.
Plus, if you love discounts, don't forget to get an International Student Identity Card, or ISIC. It offers student discounts in over 125,000 locations across 130 countries, and you can get one right on campus.
That's our wrap up of the Unofficial Student Manual. We hope it helps you navigate your time at Mainz University.
If you need more information, don't hesitate to contact the International Office or the Study Office. They are there to help you with anything you might need.
And most importantly, make the most of your time here. Enjoy your studies, make friends, and take advantage of every opportunity. Welcome to Mainz University.